Okay. Yes, good morning kabayan and partners. So sa ating mga licensed broker and licensed real estate sales agent and referral partners, good morning. So for today's video, ang topic natin is about yung selling tools natin, yung mga apps and website. Okay. Unang-una, it is really effective and efficient if you use yung laptop mo o tablet. So it will be an Windows or an Apple operating system. Okay, so let us start with ito, Landco Pacific, landco.ph. This is the official website. Okay? Una-una, you'll get yung mga brief description ng mga projects, kung ano mga projects. So, yan. And ito naman, Landco Lifestyle Ventures. Again, ang Landco Pacific has two main business. One is yung hotel, hospitality. And ito, yung nasaan tayo ngayon, which is andito tayo sa uh, real estate development wherein merong condominium and lots tayo. So, commercial and residential lot. Okay, and yung pinaka-main product natin, tinatawag natin Beach Town. So, yun. Ito yung Landco Lifestyle Venture, ito yung hospitality arm ng Landco Pacific. Okay, these are the projects. So, may parks, beach towns, shores, ayan, Pix. So, malamang Pix, yan na yun. Yung Baguio, na dinagdag nila. Ito, very helpful po siya. Helpful po ito for reservations. No? Okay, so tatlo ang ating at gateway. Okay, yung apps natin, financial apps, AQR or Acquire, Atlantis at Bayani Global Pay. This is wherein you can pay the reservation. So kung meron na kayong buyers at willing nasa abroad or kahit dito sa Pilipinas and may credit card payment, so pwedeng-pwede din natin gamitin to. And even for their monthly payment. So pwede rin through this one. Okay? So yeah, we will be having a different Zoom presentation regarding payments. And ito yung privilege club dito. Okay? So to have a very brief background, yung Landco Privilege Card membership is an exclusive recognition and appreciation program for our valued clients. So these are Landco customers who have successfully bought and completed the full purchase of the identified Landco properties. In return, we are providing our valued clients with exclusive discounts and access to our different developments across the Philippines. So, yan. Yun, no? And dalawang klase member. No? Full membership, yung full payment na, bayad na rin yung transfer fees or yung closing fees, and yung nagpabayad na monthly amortization. So, nakalagay naman po dito. Yan. Ayan, exclusive. Ayan, for fully paid clients. So, kung may Playa Laia, Playa Calatagan, Playa Azalea lot owners, ito yung mga residentials. And ito naman yung Club Laia, Kasubi lot owners, where yan naman to for commercial lots. The Spinnaker and the Nautilus unit owners. So, ito yung sa may condominium. So yan, may 40%, 30%, at meron din exclusive privileges for amortizing clients. So mas mababa lang yung discounts niya. So may discount for accommodation sa day tour and yun, and cocoon. So basically more for accommodations talaga. Malaki rin, no? 30 to 40%. Lalo na kung kumuha ng condominium. Yan! Okay. And for today, we'll be focusing sa project natin. So let's start. For example, no, kasi yung may mga helpful na selling tools natin, which is yung in-explain na 360 degrees. Okay, meron sa Spinnaker and Nautilus at Kasubi. Okay? But for today, we'll be focusing more sa the Nautilus and Kasubi kasi yung ganyang app niya, mas ano na siya, how do you call this? Mas detailed or mas maraming features siya. Okay? Na loss of word ako doon. Okay. Tingnan natin. Ayan, share naman. So for this one, so once you click the Spinnaker, pupunta siya sa Spinnaker. So there is a brief description about the Spinnaker. Then if you look at this, visit official website. So once na maklik mo yan, pupunta ka sa thespinnaker.landco.ph. Ito yung landing page niya. Okay? So yan, no? Sa Spinnaker, access mo lang yung 360 degrees. Ayun, makukuha mo. Ang maganda dito, you can do it online. Again, this is perfect, no, for your laptop or yung desktop. Tapos you may also download this offline. So, for convenience. So, kung mahina yung signal, so pwedeng-pwede to. So, yan ang maganda dito. So, yun, kung kabayan o kung meron ka mga friends na gusto makita yung unit mo sa The Spinnaker, ayan, this is a very good, helpful tool. Again, we'll be having naman different Zoom for The Spinnaker. So, inano ko lang. Pinakita ko lang yung teaser. Okay, but again, for today, we'll be focusing more at the Nautilus at Kasubi. Eto yon. Okay, so magkakaroon tayo ng landing page ng the Nautilus, Kasubi. So again, there's a brief description pero hindi yung detailed. Okay? So if you click this visit official website, huwag kayo magtaka kasi by now, ang makikita nyo is a storage.net FS. So hindi pa siya yung ano yun, no? Yung para acceptable na landing page URL. So yan. Tapos the tour is downloaded for offline playing. So yes, pwede siyang online and offline. Okay, so this is helpful dahil presentation na so may macro siya, investment advantage, into recent numbers, yung mga infrastructure, specifically related dun sa mga South development natin, dun sa Batangas. Ito na yon yung nasa Calatagan, Kasubi, Calatagan, South Beach. Now, once we click this one, explore further, okay, ano na natin? So, pwede na nating ano siya, yan, explore further. Ayun. So, ano natin siya? I-full screen na natin para maalis yung mga unnecessary mga tabs. Okay. So, from here, you will notice may Lanco projects, Playa Calagatagan, Playa Laia, Club Laia, the Spinnaker, the Residences, Hacienda Escudero, and Montelago Nature Estate. So, even yung mga old or legacy projects natin. Okay? So, for today, we'll be focusing dito sa Calatagan, Batangas. Okay, so you will notice itong app na to, specific app na to, maraming project sanang nakalagay dito. But by now, isa pa lang yung nalagay natin. O dalawa. Or isang lugar pa lang, yung which is yung Calatagan. So dalawa, yung Kasubi and the Nautilus. Okay. So once na-click na natin yan, ayan, it will proceed na dito sa okay, sa main. So, isa-isahin natin yung mga menu niya. Okay? So, yung mga clickable. Ang maganda dito, yan, no? It's a 3 actual to, ah. At maganda dito, makikita niyo yung elevations. Kasi nga, ang Playa Calatagan, hindi siya flat terrain, eh, rolling. Eh. So, mag-visualize niyo. So, isa-isahin natin mamaya. Eh, yun. Yun, yung Nautilus. Ito lang naman yung ano dito, computer generated. Eh. So, again, you can zoom in, you can zoom out. Ito yung maganda dito. Okay, so ito yung home page natin. Tapos overview. May amenities. Okay, amenities ito ng Nautilus. Okay, so dalawang projects na andito, no? Yung Kaso B, commercial lots, and yung Nautilus na condominium. Units, floor plan. Okay, so units and floor plans for Nautilus. Then lot offerings naman para sa Kaso B commercial. Okay, about and yung location. Okay, so let's start with location. Yan. So pinakita lang din. So about, ito, again, no, may Landco Pacific about the developer, which is under Metro Pacific Investment, led by Manny V. Pangilinan. Okay, the Kasubi Estate, a wealth of mixed-use residential and commercial lots. Dito, dalawa na yung Nautilus, no? So, yun naman yun, dalawang condominium siya. um, 15 hectares siya, okay, of coastal bliss generously woven with beautiful promenades and wide open landscape. And yung kanyang beachfront in shoreline niya will be 550 meters. So parang close sa Club Laia. Okay, maganda na rin yun. Maganda talaga. Okay, so this is located. And in condominium naman is the Nautilus. Okay, so start muna tayo sa lot offering. So again, no, this is for selling tool natin to, mga broker partners, mga referral partners. Ayan. So once you click na yung lot offering, makikita natin dito yung mga available lots. Okay. Updated pa naman. Dito 27 pero yun sa price, yeah, dito pala 22 pero sa prices natin nadagdagan lang. Pero this is good. Okay, again, you can visualize kung saan importante dito, syempre, yung orientation natin. Okay, this is yung, ano, uh, so ito yung nakaganito yata yan eh. A good question. So yan. Um, ito yung north, ito yung south. I believe this is west facing siya. Okay, double check natin. Katulad nito, ayun. O, yun nga, north. Okay, so this is west. West, west yung beach natin. Okay? So this is north. Yan yung north orientation. Okay. Okay, ang maganda dito, kumpleto na yung details natin. Once you click, for example, ito, gusto na nating buyer, which is we're facing west. Okay, may ocean breeze kasi along this road. Okay, and gusto natin malaman kung gaano kalaki. So kung naliliitan kayo at hindi ma-zoom in, zoom out, you can download this file. Okay, so once na ma-download mo, makikita na natin. So again, yun. So halos kumpleto na. Andiyan din yung mga setbacks. Okay, yung mga easements, may legends, kung ano yung pwedeng parking. So very helpful talaga yung tool na to. So maganda, on your downtime, i-download nyo na. So para mas kumpleto na natin. Ayun, tuloy nito. Oh. Para kumpleto na. Okay, so hindi na kailangan na natin maghintay mag-download. Ang ganda nung ano talaga nito. Ito unang pinuntahan ko nung last week of January. Okay, ganda no, merong lighthouse. Okay, so ito na yung ating lot offering. So somehow, if you do 360 degrees, makikita mo, ito naman yung Playa Calatagan, ito yung residential. Okay, ayun, no? Yan, hanggang dito, tapos hanggang dito. So, napaka ano siya, rolling terrain siya, hilig. So, yun yung ating Casobi commercial lot. Okay, in terms of pricing and availability, message nyo lang po kaming mga coordinator nyo o yung mga partners nyo. Okay, go back tayo sa home. Ay, naku, iba yun. Okay, overview. Ayun. So, dito sa overview, iba't ibang ano po, iba't ibang perspective o angle pag gusto niyo makita. Ayan. So, kaso overview 1. Okay. So, ayan. Kita niyo yung canopy. So, ito yung event house. May basketball na. Ang kompleto na. Ito na yung mga property ng commercial. Okay. Ah, sorry. Commercial. Hospitality ng Kasubi. So, may cocoons. Okay. Tapos, meron din tayo dito mga ah, cruise cabin. Ayun. Ito yung, Playa Calagatagan Beach Club. This is exclusive for the lot owners of the residential only na Playa Calatagan. Okay. So, ito na yung kanyang boardwalk. Okay, chairman's cabin. Hmm. And of course, the Nautilus. So, iba namang angle. So, this is coming from, ang view mo naman from the south. South to yung west, south. Oh, so ito, makikita nyo na, no? Ang ganda talaga rin. Ito, talagang hahanapin mo lang yung residensya sa Playa Calatagan na nasa ano eh, no? High point. So at least you can have better view doon sa Calatagan, yung bay ng Calatagan. Okay? Okay, so ito iba naman. Overview. Okay, this is coming from the east. O, papuntang west. Harbor Park. Ayun. Ayan na. Playa Calatagan. View from beach. Okay, so you can click it here. Pwede kayo mag-click dito. Okay, ito, nasa west ka naman. Ang ganda. Ito na yon. Ito na yung Nautilus. So again, beach front talaga. Literally, you just have to walk. So ito na yung boardwalk eh. Oh, ito yung board. Tapos may Aquaria Water Park. Okay, this is open for la public. Oh, ito yung mga cruise cabin. Again, these are ano lang naman temporary eh, di naman to permanent. So in the next 5 to 10 years, pwede pag magmukha. Maiba talagang ano ito, maiba talaga yung itong dynamics, itong tsura ng ating beach town, Calatagan Beach Town, which is Calatagan South Beach. Okay? So view from entrance naman, ito yung Aquaria Water Park. So meron siyang clubhouse. Okay. So ang dami, maganda talagang ano, maganda ngayon dito mamasyal, marami ngayon pupunta sa again, you can have a closer look ng mga lots. Okay? So this is well trimmed, no? Na ma-maintain nila. So naglagay na sila ng mga ano dito, may mga bago sila. Coppola. Okay? Tapos meron ayun, no, meron na rin siyang parang space shuttle. So that is yung hospice hotel natin. Okay, yung Kasubi. Ayan, no? Ito yung cruise cabin. May garden, may basketball na 3x3. Okay, there's a park. Ito yung inaayos nila. Dito yung copula, tapos meron na siyang, yung space shuttle. Ano bang, kalimutan ko ang tawag nila dito. So, ito yung na-envision natin na future. So, once na ano ka dito, you can create your own hotel, may office ka. Yes, may makikita kang usual restriction is 15 meters high lang. So, mga three floors high. Pero may mga property dito up to 18. So, dalawa na lang yung lote na titira para dun sa 18. Ayan, ito yung future development. Okay, so yes, depende kung if you want to you have your own residential o maging commercial o yan. Eh, syempre, commercial na natin. This is beach town. Where can you find that kind? So meron kang uh, unique selling proposition dahil yung lot yung ano mo pang commercial. Okay, so imagine nag-o-offer yung mga Makati nung araw, nung commercial at open sa public at kaya mo. But right now, how much na yung per square meter? Siguro mga sa 2 million. 2 million na yan. Okay, so let's go to the condominium. So here, again, this is how your selling tool. So ayan, nandito yung studio. Okay, so you can click through here para makita mo. So at this time, naka-dress up. Or pwede mong even i-click dito sa mga tab para pumunta ka ng bedroom, sa toilet and bathroom. Okay, so if you want to know yung deliverables, ayan, ito yung deliverables. So, okay, yes, no, may kasama na siyang refrigerator, range hood, okay, kasama na rin itong cooktop, o ano na, fully finished na rin at semi-furnished, so may kasama na rin closet. And of course, lahat may balcony. Ayan, na may view ka ng ocean. Perfect. Okay, so ito yon. Ang ganda, ang ganda. Very helpful talaga yung mga tools na pinoprovide ni Landco for us para mapabilis. Okay, balik ulit tayo sa unit. So may combined studio unit. Okay, so ganun pa rin. Okay, you may click this here or through here. Yung may mga nakikita mo na mga clickable marks. Okay, and ito, pwede rin makita mo yung unit info, yung kanyang unit layout. So, hindi mo ma-zoom in eh. So better din na may copy ka na rin, di ba? Na printed sana. Uy, ano na siya? No, parang smart ready na yung home siya, no? Kasi yung intercom niya naka-AV na siya. And tingnan mo yung lock set niya. Oh, smart lock na rin. Okay? So yan. And so may one bedroom unit. So may one bedroom corner. One bedroom corner B, may loft. Dressing room, may loft. Yung sa 8th floor to 9th floor. Yun, eh. So kahit yun, pagtaas mo, punta tayo living area. Sa living area, ayan. So makita mo, click mo, papunta na sa bedroom. Oh, may balcony pa rin. Perfect. And may ensuite, toilet and bathroom doon sa, ganda rin ng loft. Okay? Ayun. So, ito yung kanyang layout. Okay? Um, and aside from that, may two-bedroom, junior, yung mas maliit, two-bedroom, mas malaki. Ano ba yung two-bedroom? It's around okay, 95 square meter. Yeah, 95 square meter. Whereas, ang junior is 70, 95. Yeah, so 77 square meters. Okay? So here, mas narrow siya kasi yung wider eh. And maganda sa kanila, wide shallow yung design. Okay. Oh, may loft din pala ang two bedroom. Oh, mas maganda to. Mas malaki. Perfect. Okay. And meron na rin three bedroom. Ayan. So, yan. Pwedeng deliverable, may dress up. Okay, so tamang-tama, no? If you have family and friends, so mga prospect buyers nyo nasa abroad, yes, na yes. So we can have this kind of ano, session, or you may use this para ma-present mo yung Nautilus condominium and as well as yung Kaso B commercial lot. Okay, so we go to the floor plan area. Ayan. Oh, okay, so may andito yung Aquaria. This is managed and operated by LLV. Okay. So, yung dating Millennial Resorts. Okay, ngayon, Landco Lifestyle Venture, hospitality arm ng Alanco. So, from here, you click lang yung ground floor. Ayun. So, yan, you can zoom in. Makikita mo, may retail. Ayan, kasama yan. No? For sale. Ito, retail na ground floor. Perfect for resto. Laki rin na, 235,000 per square, mga 70 million. So, pwede. In terms of price per square meter, pwedeng pwede talaga pa. Pwedeng pwede. Pwede. Good. Okay? So, by now, may mga retail pa rin available tayo. Okay. Dito sa ground pala yung loft na two-bedroom, which is 66 square meter. Okay. So, yes. Yan. Pwede kang, yan. Makikita mo yung loft. Okay. So, dalawa ditong two-bedroom sa taas. Na-curious tuloy, magkano kaya yan? Sige, next time, check natin. Okay, eto na yung second floor. So, pwede mo i-click na lang dito. So, mga 28 units to per second. Pero as we all know, nababawasan yung kanyang foot floor plate. Okay. So, yes, ayan. Pagdating sa 6, konti na lang. Bawasan naman. Oh, yeah, Z na lang. AA. So, mayroon pang, eto. Hanggang Y na lang. So, ibig sabihin, hanggang 25 units na per floor. So, you have two elevators na nasa scenic. Okay. So, yun, para makita natin lahat naman ng, ito na, amenities na tayo. Hmm. Interactive floor plan. Okay. Substation. Again, no, you may download it para offline. So, yan. No, we go to the Nautilus. Okay, sa drop-off. Nakalagay naman po. Binigyan lang nila ng name. Nautilus Port. Okay, ito yung pinaka main entrance. So, the retail area, which is open for sale. Okay, kung mga commercial natin. The Abyss. So, ito yung spa, the ground floor. The Abyss. Abyss, ano ba? Okay. Ground lounge. Okay, ito na yung sa ground floor reception area. The chamber. Okay, this is a meeting room, which is nasa ground floor. Very helpful po. Ito yung Nimus Grove. Okay, ito yung unique dito dahil meron tayong mga garden for every floor. Ito na yung garden natin sa ground floor. Okay, so naka-seal off siya kasi naka-aircon yun. Ito open siya, open air siya. Then the passage, yung elevator lobby, which is hanggang sa ground floor naka-aircon. So, yan. Ito yung elevator na sinabi ko, scenic. Oh, di ba? So, there will be three elevators, dalawang passenger, at isang yung service elevator. Okay, the corridor. Ayan, yun yung sa corridor. So meron pa rin a grove. Okay, this is an open space doon. So for ventilation, okay, so through and through dito sa ating residential hallway. Okay, ito na yung elevator. Ganda ng color ng ginamit mo, guys. So kung may ganyan, ako, bilib ako kung in actual, ganito yung color niya. Na meron pa rin tayong supplier na ganyan. Okay, so taas naman tayo. So from here sa 10th floor, so another amenity floor, bukod sa ground floor. So may lounge. Okay, ang init siguro, no? Nakatapat. Pero may aircon naman niya. At syempre, naka-double glazed low E na window ito. Okay? So yan, meron pa rin Nimus din. Again, an open garden along within each floor. So meron ganito. Engine room, okay? Yes, so this is a gym room, a yoga room. Yes, syempre, no? Healthy lifestyle tayo. Beach life, eh! The arcade, ito yung kanyang game room at the 10th floor. Ang dami. Captain's Hideout, Speak Easy, at the Nautilus. Celestial Cuisine at the 11th floor. Okay. And observatory. Kasi syempre, we want to take advantage of the nice sunset. Kasi ito yung west. And of course, the expansive blue waters of Calatagan. So, syempre, meron tayong IG worthy na Horizon Pool Deck and a very safe kiddie pool. Ang saya. Meron, ano, meron pa waterfalls. Perfect na perfect talaga. Okay. So, aside from that, wala na. Kompleto, di ba? So, ito yung magandang mga tools na magagamit natin on our own when we're reviewing. At the same time, pag meron na tayong kausap, so ito yung pinoprovide ng Landco as a tool for us to help para matulungan tayo for Landco to help us build yung network and of course yung business natin mas lumaki na. So with this kind of mga effective sales tool, sellers tool. Okay. So again, thank you very much, Kabayan. Thank you very much, partners. Good luck sa atin and happy selling. Hey! Yun.